Шүүж болно шүү дээ. Яваад шүү дээ.
Өчи ямар найдас юм гахаад байгаа зү.
Би найтайсан шүү дээ.
Чи ингэж найдад юм уу? Хидэси өрөөлстэй. Яа тэгээ гоё юм ээ би дүрсгэн аппараттай боллоо.
Into a psychologism of a caged bird.
Тэр дөрөвшөөгөө хадгалгаа дөрөв харсан 3-оор авъя гэж байгаа. Тэгээд шүүг усны хэрэг юм байна гэж бодсон. Өөр тэгэж юм бүрийнхгүйгээр текст байлаа гэж бодсон. Тэр нэлээд зузаан хөшиг болохоор гэрэл тэгэж харагдахгүй хаа гэж би бол язнаа. Тэр хийг нь хараад аха тэнгууд нөгөө нэг зураг нээж штэ. Окей. Bye-bye. Work is finally done. The client is really happy and I'm really happy with how the production is shaping up to be. And it's 9 p.m. guys. I'm gonna take off whatever is on my face and kind of just rest. I really want to do a come to a shoot with me so you guys can see how I work. But then it's like I've never worked with a continuous light before, so I don't know how good I'm actually gonna be able to guide people. So I've been working all morning, just like going back and forth with the client and the studio. And now we're gonna head out. We have to pay our utility bills. I'm looking for a gaffer. I asked some friends, so hopefully they know people. I just got back home and I'm waiting for a phone call. So while we wait, let's unpack everything we got. I went to Good Price to get coconut water, but they only have 3. And I wanted to find these like children's dental floss, but they didn't have it. I got this kimchi jjigae mix. I have kimchi at home. I don't know why I bought it. And I also got this seaweed soup mix. And that's what we're gonna eat today. And then next I got a new moisturizer. So this is the one I use. But they didn't have any. So I went next door to Infinum and I got 2 journals. I'm so glad. Let's open this. Like, this is the part that's exciting for me. Oh my god, I didn't know which color to get for the bullet journal type. They only had yellow, purple, and then this hot pink. And I'll show you my previous one. I think I got it like 3 years ago and I've just not finished it because I didn't really use the journal. I would only journal like twice a month when the new moon cycle comes up. But now I'm gonna journal every day. And this is like all done. I really love the color and like look at this. Because I didn't want to get the same yellow one. And I saw this pink mini one. So the reason I bought a mini one is because I usually write down project ideas on the back end of any journal that I have. And I don't want to do that anymore. I want to keep it in a smaller place. And I want to keep it separate from my personal journal. See, like, this is what he does when he comes near me. He kept eating that, so we moved it over. And he keeps making this fall over. And we had another piece here. And it's obviously foam like this. And he kept eating at it. Oh my god, stop it. Okay, so the shoot is tomorrow. I need to be there at 10 a.m. Maybe even earlier. And I just went to the printer to get the production plan printed out. Like when I look at my phone during work, it just like distracts me a lot. So I prefer having it printed out. And I'm cooking instant ramen right now because I'm just so hungry. Fleur Collective get юу дотор хуцсны Монгол брендийн Валентины коллекцны зургийг авч байгаа байхгүй юу? Нэг сарын дундаас эхлээд бид нэр уулзч эхлээд ер нь планыг гаргаад явсан. Гэтэ яг сүүлийн бичлэг хийгээгүй хэдэн хоног ер нь бол нэлийн хэдийнүүд өөрчлөгдсөн байхгүй юу? And inside the production plan I just have the lighting setup and what I want it to look like and how the setup looks in 3D space. We are at the studio and we're gonna start our first setup soon. Here it is. And they made these small little brown chocolates to go inside the box. This is my phone, and we have the camera way up there. Зан гараад ирээд бол. Наач яг шүү. It is now 12:30. I'm so tired, like I'm drained, and I'm really hungry. The shoot lasted for about 11 hours. I kept licking my lips, and it's like burnt from my saliva. Oh my god, I've been so busy that I forgot to tell you. 2 days ago, on Friday, I passed my driving test, so I can order my driving license. And also about the braces, I didn't know that you have to be on liquid diet for a month after getting those braces. So we're gonna get the braces in March. So this is dinner at almost 1 a.m. Одоо усан дөрнөө найздаа. Миний бүр хамаг биений булгарсан гэдэг лөө. Бүр өвдөөд. Ялангуяа миний бөксний булсан заа. Миний биений яг ингээд таазнаас дээдлийн хэсэг бол ингээд булгараагүй заяо. Тэгэл ингээд таазнаас доошоо хөл бүр ялангуяа бүкс I don't get how that happened, but I mean I get that we were like moving around a lot. I tried to order food, but none of the delivery apps are working. And look at this. Florийнхаа надад бэлэг өгсөн. Тэгээ нэг задлыг тавиу би орж ирснээс хойш задлаа. Им яам бэ? Өвлөөс хойш дотор уцаа да гэл. Тэгээд энэ улаан хүрэн юм байна. Энэ ингээ улаан хөсний болтохгүй юу? Тэг ингээ харьцуулбал арай жоохон бараан байна. Тэгээ энэ нь болохоор Florийн логотой. Болоод юм болов гэж бодсон чи үгүй байсан байна. Амар хэм байсан байна. Баярлалаа нэмэгчээ. Би одоо тоон дээр bunch of changes. I remember my boyfriend went to the grocery store to get food because my legs are literally like killing me. I'm gonna watch the 12 Dancing Princess while I eat dinner. We can do the base editing and the cropping today, and then we'll work with the colors tomorrow. By the way, do you like the new banner? I really like it. I think it's me. I watched the Tales of Hoffman. That was the inspiration for that. And also I think for the color palette, it was basically just my website because I really love pink, black, white, red. By the way, I started watching Nosferatu. I haven't finished it yet because I watched it and it was a silent film. And I was like, oh, did they do a silent film? Whereas Willem Dafoe in this, because I didn't. And then I was like, oh, are they like showing the old one and then the new one? But basically I was watching the old one without knowing it. But I really liked that silent film. I liked the title cards. I liked the font that they used and the type of green font has. I really liked that. I think it's been like 3 days or 2 days. I don't know. But it's the 31st today. And I'm leaving tonight. My dad is picking me up at 3 a.m. And my house is so shit. Okay, it's so bad. Би нэг авч явах юм бэлж байгаа хгүй юу? Энэ ингээд манай ихчийн загсан юмнууд ингээд янзлаагүй. Энэ ингээд миний өмсөж гарах хуснууд янзлаагүй. And I haven't cooked in like days. Wagusnas тавиг авсан ever since I started sitting late to do work. And I just finished my 4th one. And I finished the images for the campaign 2 days ago at 5 a.m. and I finished the first draft of the video last night at 5 a.m. and I'm sending the second draft, so hopefully everything works out. I still feel like there's like little details that we need to fix, but that shouldn't take a lot of time. Yeah, my boyfriend's gotten really like allergic to my cat. He was fine a few years ago, but I think because it's winter, it's just gotten worse. And we've been like talking for a while about giving him a haircut. And my boyfriend went today. бүр ингэ сохтун шиг ингэ явж чадахгүй байгаа. Би тэгээс ингэ нүднийх нь нуухыг бас цэвэрлсэн байхгүй юу. Тэгээ бүр ингэ амар тийм ингэ бор улаан юм гарсан. За тэгээ хөрхий чаваас орж ирчээд хоолын нөхчтэй кабинетээ бол өгсөн чинь нэг амар шингэн юмар бүүлжүүд. Одоо энэ видео рендерлж байгаагаар шалгаарч байна. There's some things I want to fix, but let's just send it off first. Milhara. Гүй яах вэ? Алхах гişгэн бас гайг болчихъя. So it is 7 a.m. and we are at the airport. I finished work around 3 a.m. and I think I slept for about like 30 minutes and then my mom called me because my dad was picking me up. So my dad bought a new fun car and apparently he got like наалсан гинэ машинда наалтаж дуусаагүй лээсэн юм шиг үлээ. Тэг ингээд миний чамданыг багажинда хийгээд тэгсэн чинь багажныхын хаалга нь хаагддгүй. Нөө хуулах нь шинээр нь алдсан юм болохоор ингээ хүлцсэн. Тэгээ би ирэх замда багажин цугаад ингээ багажны хаалгыг дотор талаас нь ингээ татаад тэгж ирсэн байдаг байгаа. Хөшгтэй хүнд өртөл. Одоо тэгээд онгоцон 8-аас. I'm so fucking glad that I finished work because like there is no way in hell that I was gonna do work inside the plane.